Hi students, so welcome to your chemistry lab. Today I am going to demonstrate the process of sedimentation and decantation. Now for that we will require a funnel, glass funnel I have taken. You can see test tube holders, glass rod, filter papers. See, these are the filter papers we will take. And I have taken two mixtures. One is you can see this is sand water or soil, muddy water, and this is chalk water. Okay. So before I start the experiment, let me show you how to fold this filter paper. Now what is the role of this filter paper, students? Filter papers allow only the smaller particles, that is the liquid particles, to pass through it. Okay, and it do not allow the heavier particles or the particles which are bigger, okay, it will be get trapped into it. Now the important thing is that how to use this filter paper, right? So for that, you see, I will fold it from between. First of all, this is the first fold I have made. Next, another fold I will do, second fold. Okay. So after my second fold, it will look like this. Now I will open it from between. See, now it is of conical shape. You can see. So I require two filter paper. So I will arrange another one. Again I am showing, see, first fold, second fold, and you need to open one end. See, it will look like conical. Okay. Now why I have made like this? Because I have to put it inside it, right? Now before I put it inside, now you see how I am going to put it inside. Done. Now this is also done. Now after this, you can see the filter papers are just coming out. So in order to maintain it in its position, I will just put some water, normal water. Okay, you see. Okay, I'll allow that water to pass through it. Now you can see how it has stick to the funnel. Next, with this also I will do the same thing. Okay, pour out the water. You see, it has stick to this. Now our main task will begin. Okay, this is your muddy water. I'll stir it. You can see the condition. Okay, now I'm going to filter it for you all. Okay, so the muddy water, the muds and the sand particles are heavier. The water is what? Lighter. Okay, so I am going to put it in. See, I am putting it over here. You can see in the bottom already the filtration process started. Students, see this. See the color of water here and the color of water here. I am going to pour more amount of water. Student, this is the process of filtration. Okay. Now, also I am going to show you the process of decantation. As I said, that the process of decantation also will show. For that we require time. See, this is a chalk water I have taken. Okay. Now, if I leave it undisturbed for a few minutes or say for half an hour, you will see gradually this heavier particles will come down. You can see here how the decantation process is taking. You see here the heavier particle, that is the mud and the soil particle, it has started coming down, right? So once again I am stirring it to show you. You see, this is the condition. and here my filtration process is continue. You see how the particles are settling down, right? How the particles are settling down. Okay, so what I have to do is that I have to leave it like this undisturbed for half an hour, and then we will see that the heavier particles will start settling down. You see already the heavier particles already started settling down. If you take the close view of it, can you see, students? See, the heavier particles already started settling down. So that process of settling down of the heavier particle here, it is known as sedimentation. Okay, so that is known as sedimentation. And on the other hand, you can see how I have filtered this water. You can compare the color of this, the same water I have filtered. Okay, look at the condition, the color here and the color here. Okay, so it can be filtered once again if I filter this. So what I will do, I will pass this filtered water again through another filter paper to get much more clear solution. Okay. Now students, just look at it. Just look at it. Compare the color. See. Compare the color. So this is the role of the filter paper. Okay. It filters, it traps the liquid, the heavier particles. Okay. And it only allows the liquid particles to go through it. So this is how a filter paper works. Okay. And on the other way, you can see here already. See, look at here, students. Just look at here. Okay. Already the heavier particles have settled down. So this is known as sedimentation. This process is known as sedimentation. Here also you can see the particles already have started settling down. It will take times. Okay. So if I leave it for hours or half an hour, I will find that all the particles, most of the heavier particle will settle down. Okay. Now after that, the process of decantation. Now let me show you the process of decantation, student. Already see, you can see here the particles or the chalk particles have already settled down. Okay. So decantation means without disturbing this particle, this heavier particle suspension, I will just pour the water gradually. Okay. I can use a glass rod also. So instead of it, you can also use a glass rod for that. So you can see here, I am doing it. Gradually I am pouring it. Okay, so this process is known as decantation. You can see here the particles, heavier particles already settled down. Okay, so this is your sedimentation, and this is already I have decanted one. Okay, so this part is also known as supernatant. Okay, now students, just compare, see what our filter paper has done. Compare this, the same water I have taken, and with the help of filter paper I have filtered the solution. Okay, so hope, and you can, I would also like to show the condition of the filter paper. You see all the heavier particles, all the bigger particles, already it has been trapped here. So if I open the filter paper and show you once, look at the conditions of the paper, dear students, see. So it has trapped the heavier particles, the mud particles, sand particles. Okay, so like that our filter paper works. Okay, so hope this video was helpful to make you understand the process of sedimentation, decantation and filtration. Thank you for watching this video.